Welcome to another video with more interesting data, which are 12 subtle signs she's waiting for you to make a move that you will be delighted to know. You have her attention. Everything else going on around her is not as important as talking to you and paying attention to you. If she is facing you and giving you her attention, that means she's focused on you. That is a sign that she is interested and that she wants you to make a move. She laughs when she's around you. Science tells us when a woman is attracted to a man, she just tends to laugh more when she is around him. If you notice that she laughs with you a lot, laughs at your jokes a lot, that's a very good sign that she wants you to make a move and she likes you. She fixes her jewelry and clothes when she's around you. If she sees you walk into the room, or if she sees you looking at her, then she starts making sure her jewelry is okay, making sure her clothes are looking nice and everything. It's because she wants you to think she's attractive. She wants you to notice her. She touches you. She may brush up against you when she walks past you. She may touch your arm when she's talking to you. She may stand close to you. She might sit close enough that you touch. She might give you a hug when she sees you. These are all ways for her to touch you in a way that doesn't look creepy or super desperate. She finds ways to talk to you. Maybe she texts you occasionally and tries to start a conversation. Or maybe she walks by and tries to talk to you. If she's looking for ways to contact you, to talk to you, it's for a reason. So you can make a move, so you can ask her out, so you can flirt with her. She points her feet towards you. If she's talking to someone but she's interested in something else, her feet will be pointed wherever it is she's thinking about. She could be talking to someone else but her feet are pointing towards you. She could be sitting down across the room from you but her feet be pointing towards you. And those are all signs that she's interested. She wants you to make a move. She mentions having free time. She leaves that door wide open and it seems like she has plenty of time. If someone wants to do something with her, that's a sign that she wants you to make a move. She drops hints of things she enjoys doing. She wants to help you make the date as enjoyable as possible. Dropping those hints helps you know what she would enjoy doing and what would be fun for you to do together. She fixes her hair when she is around you. She makes sure her hair looks good. It's because she wants you to notice it looks good. She wants to look attractive to you. And she's not going to do that unless she wants you to make a move. She flirts with you. We usually flirt with people for a reason. It makes sense. And so if she is flirting with you, that is her way of, again, trying to invite you to make a move. She sits close to you. If we are attracted to someone, we want to be close to them. And if you notice she tends to sit close to you, that can be a good sign that she's interested, that she likes you, and that she's waiting for you to make a move. She looks at you, smiles, and looks away. Make sure you're seeing that sign because sometimes your eyes just meet. If you've seen it 2 to 3 times in a night, that's a good sign, and she probably won't send them too many more times. if you don't at least try to make a move. This is again why you need to make sure you know what you're going to do. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such amazing videos.